Hello everyone, I am Christian Matondang, a sixth semester management student. This video is created to fulfill to the assessment for the computer application course. Taught by my Mr. Sudung Simatupang, today I am going to give you a completed tutorial on how to use Mendeley for automatic catheterization. So let's get straight to it. As you can see, I have already prepared several types of reference source that we community use in our management assessments. Generally, articles, both international and CINTA accreditation, conference proceeding, thesis or the dissertation, and also a book in the PDF format. Now we are going to migrate this file into Mendeley so we can management their metadata. Next, I will demonstrate how to add test files to Mendeley automatical, but well, do it one by one to ensure the accuracy of data. I'm going to show you the standard way to add journaling reference using the add files menu. This method is the highlight recommended so we can select our file more precisely. First step, click the add or end now button in the top left corner of the Mendeley app. Then select the add files option once the file browser window appears. I pick the one by one for this first one. I select to a Cinta Journal file, click the file and click open. All right, the file is now in your list. Now let's check the details in the right-hand panel, even though we added it automatically via add files. We still need the verify to the data carefully. Types make you sure journal article is select. Title and hour ensure the title and author's name match the PDF document. Journal identity, double check to the journal name, publication year, volume, and issue number. Remember, friends, our accuracy at this step will determine how neat our bibliography will be in Microsoft Word letters. Now, for the orders to journally, whether it's an international journally or another national one, the steps are exactly the same. We still use the add files feature and perform the same metadata check. So I just show you the check with the process here. Okay, now all of our journalists are ready to library. Now that the journalists are all set, let's move on to the next file, to conference proceeding, or what we usually call seminar proceeding. Just like before, we click at now, select files from computer, at the choice the proceeding file if already prepared. Click open and wait a moment for the upload process to finish. Now, everyone, please pay close attention to the panel on the right. This part is absolutely crucial for proceedings. Sometimes, Mendeley automatical details this as a journal article instead of the proceeding. If that happens, we must manually change the types to conference proceeding. Why so that the bibliography format will be correct and consistent later on. For our proceeding, make sure these elements are filled in. Title and author. Just like with journalists, ensure the title and owner's name are accurate. Proceeding title. This is important. Don't put a journal name here. Instead, enter the names of the seminar of conference, for example, proceeding of the International Conference on Management. Years and city. Don't forget the includes the year and the city where the seminar was held if that information is available. Next, we are going to add a thesis or a graduate dissertation. As a reference, the process remains the same. Click at New, select the file, and click Open. Let's wait for the important to finish. Let's work for important. Now, let's check the column on the right. Please make sure that the select types is thesis. There is one additional columns that we must pay attention to here, which is the university file. Ensure that the original university name is written in full. Don't forget to also check the year and department files if they are available. Having completed data is very important so that our citation looks credible and the source clearly shows which institution it belongs to. Finally, we are going to add an ebook as our reference, just like the previous steps. We click Add Now, select the ebook file, and click Open. Let's wait for the file to appear in our library. Now, let's check the details in the right-hand panel. Make sure that the select tabs is book. In addition to the title and others, make sure the publisher and your file are filled in. If the information is available in the book, it's good idea to also manually complete it, the city and edition file. This ensures our citation is perfect and follow proper writing standards. Besides document files, we sometimes use high quality videos from YouTube as a reference for this kind of source. We will need to add the information manually. The process is simple. Click Add Now, then select and enter it manually in the tab selection. Change it the film of video. Next, fill in the recommended data. Title, enter the title of the YouTube video. Others, enter the creator's name or the channel name. Publication, types in the YouTube, years, the year the video was uploaded, URL. Don't forget to copy and paste the video link to be the URL files. This is important so the lecturer can verify the authenticity of the source. Now, I will show you how to manually add a reference from the web page. The steps are click Add Now, the select and enter it manually in the type section. Make sure to select web page. The information we need to complete is title, the title of the article or the web page, another the another's name, there is no personal order. You can use the organization name. For example, BPS Indonesia. Publication, website, enter the name of the website, years, the year article was published, URL and access data, paste the full link at and don't forget to include the data you action the website as online content can change over time. Finally, I share a special trick. What if we find a very related journal, but it's behind the paywall? Don't worry, we can still get the data into Mendeley. The first method is the download only the metadata, look for and export our sites button on the website. Then choose the RIS or the baby text format. This tiny file contains all the journal information with you, the actual PDF. Just add the file to Mendeley via add the files and the data with a purple automatical. But what if a will the still need the right and the full content you can copy to the DOI of the journal and use a tool like your Shape Hub. Once the PDF is the actually you can download it the upload to Mendeley using the add files method we described currently by combination RIS and BibTeX for metadata and SGHook for the document. There's no reason to miss out the high quality reference just because of action user. Now, if our source is a physical book or an hard book with no PDF file available, don't worry, Mendeley can still handle it. Here's now, click Add New, then select and enter manually since it's a physical book. Make sure the tabs is the set to book. We need to manually type in the details from the book's title page. Title. Enter the full title of the book. Another's taps the another's name. Remember, use a last name first name format, for example, Kotler Philip. Years. The years it's a publisher, the name of the publishing company. City and edition. For a physical book, these two are very important. Enter the city of the publication and the specific edition of the book. And top there is no PDF icon in Mendeley. The data is now saved as a reference. So when we set it in Word later, the format will be perfect and follow scientific standards. If your methodology title is in the field or marketing, for example, about courses design, then the theoretical comparison in the Mendeley will look like this. First, for the grand theory, I am using to the human resource management book by Gary Rizzo as are the main foundation for my research. This acts as the mother of the all theories I use because it covers the entire management of human capital. Moving down to the Mendel range theory, I am focusing on organizational behind. This helps explain the specific interest and psychological aspect of the people within the workplace. Finally, at the application theory is the one that design context to my research variable. For example, I'm using transformation leadership theory for my X variable and job performance theory for my variable. I source this from the lesser Sinta and Indian journally to the issue my measure are up to date. So that is the complete tutorial on using Mendeley to support on rigorous methodology assessment. We covered everything from importing journals, proceeding and the physical book to the systematical mapping our theories to the statement chapter 2. I hope this tutorial helpful and enables everyone to the produce network and more credible academic work. Remember, attention to the details in the reference management is the key to the high quality research. I'm Christian Matondang. Thank you for your attention and good luck with your assessment. See you again.